Look what I got here. This is the John Deere S130 lawn tractor. It's got a 42-inch mowing deck. It's got a Briggs and Stratton 22 horsepower V-twin motor. It's a hydrostatic drive. It's got electric PTO. It's only got 0.3 hours on the hour meter. It's got this easy change, oil change situation going on, and I'm not sure that I really am in love with that, but that's what it has. It's not my tractor, but it's here at my house, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to kind of show you around this tractor a little bit. All right, so let's start off up here in the front. We've got a 22 horsepower V-twin Briggs and Stratton motor. Under here, we've got an air filter. It's just a standard replaceable paper filter. We've got your dipstick over here. This is where you check your oil. Battery's pretty accessible right back here. It's got a hold down that goes over the top of it to keep the battery in place. A couple of electrical connections down there. Everything looks like it's easy to get to. Right here, we've got your forward pedal for your hydrostatic drive. We've got your reverse pedal for your hydrostatic drive. A little glove box, cup holder, your seat. This looks like a pretty standard seat. This lever right here, if you pull this up, the seat is adjustable forward and backwards. Up here, we've got the key. Tractor does come with 2 keys. You can turn your, this is obviously where you start it, and then when it's in the run position, if you want to put the headlights on, you just put it over to the headlight icon and you can mow in the dark. This is your PTO for your mowing deck. You just pull that up. This is the first tractor in the S series that has the electric mowing deck option. We'll come around to the other side of the tractor. This is where you adjust your height. So it looks like you can go from 1 inch all the way up to 4 inches in height. And that's just manually operated. Over here is your brake pedal. This also has to be depressed for you to start the tractor. You got your parking brake. If you depress your pedal, pull up on this, that sets your parking brake, and now your tractor won't move. This is probably the most important button on the tractor. If you want to mow in reverse, you have to push this button down when you step on the reverse pedal, or else the tractor will shut off. That's the safety feature. This is your throttle. In order to start it, you push this all the way up. Once it starts, it kind of goes back to the high position on its own. So you push this up, hold it, start it, and then let it go. Right here, you've got your garden hose connection, so you can hook your garden hose up so you can rinse out underneath your mowing deck when you're done. If we close the hood, we've got a bumper up front. Wouldn't exactly call it a crash bumper, but I'm sure it'll put up a pretty good fight for a small tree, a mailbox, a gas grill, or something along those lines. You got a couple grease points down here on the spindles, one on each side. This has a standard tough torque transmission in it, so if right now we're in drive mode, if you have to push it, you can just pull this out and that puts it into neutral, and now you can push the tractor. And as soon as you want to go back to normal mode, you push that back in. Because this is a 42-inch deck, you've got 2 greasable spindles. You have one on the right-hand side of the tractor, and you have another one all the way over at that spindle. If you had the 48-inch deck, you would have 3 greasable spindles. It holds 2.5 gallons of gasoline, and it has an electronic fuel gauge. The bogey wheels on your mowing deck are adjustable, but you have to undo the bolt on the back. Your flap lifts up. There are a few optional attachments that you can get for this tractor. Comes with a 2-year, 120-hour warranty. If you have a piece of property that's 1.5 acres or less, John Deere says this tractor will work well for you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.